Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will give you a guide to how to use a simple app. So let's get started. So here we can see the simple app. So I will just open it. Okay. So basically you have to just like here continue with your email. Okay. So here we will just click on your email, whichever email you have to. And then over 16, then you have to select this, accept. So from here you can create a password and do other things that you want to do. Okay, you can create a parking, select the location, you can start, you can do a nationwide ticket pass, and you can explore payment, check QR, and do many things as you can see here. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.